Okay, so I'm back. I am now ready to make the brine for these dill pickles. So if you didn't watch the first part, I'm going down memory lane and preserving some dill that I grew this year by making dill pickles. And so I'm doing refrigerator dill pickles, and I thought I had my recipe straight, but I do have if you watch the first video, I said I needed this canning and pickling salt. I did not. So with this, okay, I don't want to make you dizzy, but so I'm just going to show you the ingredients first, and then I'll switch my camera around and I'll pour them in. So for this is a super simple recipe, and anybody really can make it. You just have to go out and buy maybe some dill and some cucumbers and garlic, and everything else you really should have on hand. But anyways, we're going to start with 3.5 cups of water. And then I decided this recipe called for the white vinegar, so we're going to try it with the white vinegar. So there's 1.25 cups white vinegar. And then I did, hopefully you can see this. You can see the pink salt for sure. A tablespoon of sugar. So there's not a lot of sugar in this. And then a tablespoon of salt. And it called for sea salt. I don't have sea salt, but I do have, I used the pink Himalayan salt, which is supposed to be very good for you. So I'm going to put this into the pan, and if the dogs start barking, oh, they're going to be good. They're not going to. Barry just walked in the house. So anyway, I'm going to switch the camera around so that you can see what I'm doing when I going to the pot. So we're sorry. All right, now that we're situated here, I'm just going to turn on a light real quick. So we're just going to dump the 3.5 cups of water into the pan. And then the vinegar. Add the salt and the sugar in there. We'll start the stove and put it on, and then we'll just give this all a stir once I get my spoon. So we'll just stir this and let it come to a boil. And then the reason I'm not going ahead and gonna do a third part of this recipe. The reason I'm going to do a third part to this recipe is because this has to cook, boil, and then cool down. And so I will move ahead and come back in a few hours with the final part of actually putting all of the ingredients together for the dill pickles. So I hope that you go along the journey with me and enjoy it. And if you want to share it, share it. But anyways, I'll see you soon. Bye.